Good morning, students. Today we'll start study about ions, anions and cations, as you already know. And anions, when an atom gains an electron, it becomes negatively charged, and it is called an anion. And this happens with non-metals actually because they gains an electron, and whenever metal will lose the electron and it will form a cation. They become positively charged ion called cation. See, that is how cations are formed. Take an example of sodium. Here it has 11 protons and 11 electrons in the shell. Last electron, this is called a valence electron. It has only one valence electron. As you know already that by losing an electron, cations are formed. So whenever this electron will be lost by the atom in from the valence shell, the whole the outermost shell will get reduced, and finally the number of proton will become more than electrons. Here you will be having 11 protons and 10 electrons left out. So what will happen? The uh, charge, effective nuclear charge of the proton will attract all the electrons, rest of the remaining electrons. So effective nuclear charge on the remaining electron will increase, and remaining electrons are pulled in closer to the nucleus, and ionic size will decrease. So finally you can see the size will become very small. As a result, sodium ion will be smaller than a sodium atom. Here we can understand the formation of anion. Take an example of chlorine. Here it has 17 proton and 17 electron, well organized. In the last shell, it has 7 electrons. So whenever it will receive one electron, by the time it will have a complete octet, and now it will receive a more electron is added in the outermost shell like this, and now it has a complete octet. But what students, what will happen here? 17 protons and number of electron will be more. So the effective nuclear charge over the electrons will decrease. Finally effective nuclear charge is reduced, and electron cloud will expand like this, and now the expansion will occur and the size will become bigger. So you can say now anions are always bigger than the corresponding atoms, and cations are smaller than the corresponding atoms. Thank you.